Today, I'm going to show you how to make a baby puree using your ChefRobot. So let's go ahead and get started. First, you're going to want to add 500 grams or 2.11 cups of water to your mixing bowl. Cover your mixing bowl lid and measuring cup. And then you're going to want to set the degrees to 110 degrees Celsius or 230 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your mode over speed on reversal, level 1 at 5 minutes. Remove the mixing bowl lid and place the basket in the mixing bowl. Place the butternut squash pieces in the basket, about 200 grams. Cover your mixing bowl with the mixing bowl lid and measuring cup. Cook for 20 minutes on reversal, and make sure you hit the steam button. Let your butternut squash cool for 1 to 2 minutes. Remove the mixing bowl lid and pour about 30 grams of the remaining water into a bowl to save for your next step. Clean the mixing bowl. Add the steamed butternut squash to your mixing bowl and add some of the water that you saved previously to the mixing bowl, which is about 1/4 of a cup. Cover the mixing bowl with the mixing bowl lid and measuring cup. Place your mode of speed at level 8 for 5 seconds, and then we'll remove the lid, scrape down the sides of the mixing bowl, and then recover the mixing bowl. Place your speed on level 10 for 5 seconds and then remove the mixing bowl lid. Make sure your butternut squash isn't too hot before serving to your baby. What I love about the ChefRobot is that you can easily cook with a smart screen. You have different lids, one that's transparent for visualized cooking. You can draw inspiration from over 500 recipes and enjoy the convenience of over 15 different cooking functions. It is app and Wi-Fi enabled. Feel free to sync with the screen and keep your cooking seamlessly smooth. Check the link below for how to order a ChefRobot today.